Hi friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Run Club, the amazing world of fun and learning with Parikshit. I hope you love our drawings and what else? Say something to your friends, they are waiting for you.
And so today we are going to draw a hand.
A hand with a butterfly. We are gonna sketch it with the help of a pencil and a white paper. That's all what we need for the day. Let's get started. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so what do we start with? We start with the hand. Keep this hand a little more. Try to do it like this. Okay, now we make the fingers. One, two, three, four, five. Okay,
It's like they are like this.
yeah. Yeah. Let's make the butterfly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Parikshit? This was an easy pencil drawing of a hand with a beautiful butterfly. Was this not a very easy one? Yes, it was. I know it was. So even if you found it difficult, try it once again and you will find it easy as well. So a very easy for the beginners pencil sketching. These are fun drawings, easy to do drawings, and if you want to learn how to do pencil sketches, then these are the drawings for you. Yes, you just need a few pencils and a white paper. That is all that you need. And yes, do not forget to see the video when you are drawing. This will help you in doing nice drawings, beautiful drawings, and also will help you in learning them. Okay, so we are done with this drawing. So let us move on to the next drawing. Until then, do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club for some amazing goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club.